got his rod and reel. Hey guys, what's going on? Joshua here with Salty Scales. So I forgot to record my intro. But today's targeted species is actually blacktip sharks. So me and Chris actually came out here to the beautiful Tampa Bay. We're gonna catch some ladyfish and hopefully some beautiful blacktip sharks. Stay tuned guys, it's a one tide day. Wind's really blowing out of the north right after these fronts. Tough fishing conditions, but the shark shouldn't mind too much. Let's go, it's gonna be fun. Got a pretty nice fish on here. Got my poppet cork. A large shrimp. Holy smokes! That's a toad. Oh, he's blind in one eye. Poor fella. That eye. Just let him go, let him grow. Sorry, big dog. Wasn't from us, but. And then, yeet yeet. Oh man. Oh, that's a good fish. That's a good one. That is a good fish. Holy smokes. Chris, that's like two fish. Two 20-inch fish back to back. The one before it was definitely over 20. This one's probably about, he's at least 18. Look at that thing. Dang. Yeah, that's our bait. We got a ladyfish, guys. That's what we're looking for. Yep. All right, calm down. Don't get me all bloody. Oh, I got him right in the throat anyway, so he's a good candidate. No, no, no. Don't bloody up my boat. Damn you. And he sure enough did. Bloodied it all up. There he is. Oh, stay on there, baby. Yeah. Nice one. Oh, he came off. Come here, come here. Nope, nope. Look like a bloodbath in here. You're being ridiculous. Can you catch a fish? Man, I'm tired of catching all your bait all the time. You like it? My hook and stuff already set up from last time. This one's probably the deadest, so let's go ahead and hook him up. I'm gonna hook him, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna run it through his mouth. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys. This is how I usually do it, especially with bigger baits. I'm gonna run it through his gill, just like that. And then what you do is you come out the side, all right? You gotta be careful with the regular wire. It's not as flexible. So you put the hook back down, just like that, and then run it out the side of the fish. And then you pull this straight. Now that'll keep everything disguised, keep it straight, and that hook is readily there for a hookup. And now all I'm gonna do, and I'm not using no weight, guys, I'm just gonna cut the very end of the tail off. We want a fairly large shark. So all I'm gonna do is cut from there back, and I'm gonna throw that in the water. He'll bleed out. This will be chum. And now we're ready to go. All right, guys, Chris couldn't catch his own bait, so I'm helping him out. Oh! Oh! Guys, I'm hooked up with a monster. He's acting like a monster. He hit it on the surface. Oh man, he just had one heck of a run, guys. Oh! I thought it might have been a tarpon as he hit it on the surface. Dirty hit, that's definitely a shark. So I was freelining a live ladyfish, guys. He destroyed it. Get some of these rods out of the way. Oh, I think it's a shark. I mean, heck, I guess it could be a cove. I know one thing, it's not light. Far bigger than the one I got the other night. It's pretty close now. Alright, let's see what we got. We got a shark or a cove. What do we got? Shaking his head like a shark, but then again, a big cove would do similar things. Oh! Oh! All the way around. Really? Definitely a shark, guys. Got my shock leader right there. Nice. Oh, yes. It's a beauty. Oh, don't you do it. Hey, Chris, it's a little different here. Big boy. Yes. Woo! Okay, guys, beautiful specimen. I was gonna take them, guys. I'm not gonna take her. I hope I didn't fight her too hard. Come on, baby. Chris just threw his rod, had a hit, and his rod just went in the water a second time, including my Scotty rod holder, because he had it in the Scotty rod holder, which I don't recommend you do. He just lost his good setup. That was a $400 or $500 setup. That is so crazy.
No, that was like a $900 setup.
Sound like a good hit.
Dude, it just ripped off the boat.
You didn't see. You didn't see.
Yeah, it's been solid. It just flew in.
How fast was he moving?
There's no way. It's gone.
It ain't gone. Look for it.
Everything that I think comes to fruition.
Well, why would you put that in that rod holder?
It was just the best thing.
I got it right here.
No way.
Yeah. All right, guys. We got his rod. It's the whole outfit.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
All right, guys. We got Chris's rod right here. I don't know. I don't think there's a fish still on it.
No, dude, that fish shot into the water.
There
Is it a rod holder on it?
I don't
guarantee you it is.
I don't see no rod holder. That's definitely your rod. All right. I should be able to get it on this fall. I think I got it. All right, come here. Guys, I got his rod and reel. Look, guys.
This fish is still on here. I'll shit myself.
No roddy holder. Wow, dude, you.
Oh, barely.
I'm telling you what, boy. Unreal, this guy, guys.
Guys, can they hear me?
Oh, they can hear you. Rod and reel.
You want me to tell them what happened?
Oh, man, let's hear this excuse as to what happened.
Guys, I put it in the little Scotty rod holder up here. Josh can show you. He's got one right there. Now, it's a bigger outfit. And when I put it in the rod holder, I was like, you know, I wonder if these plastic, because all these tracks are just plastic. I was like, I wonder if it would hold up if, you know, a big fish hit. And I was like, well, I've never had a problem before. You know, we were shark fishing a couple weeks ago, and I caught one out of the rod holder. Like, everything worked fine. Sure enough, I'm sitting here, got my bait out there, playing on my phone a little bit. And then, you know how, if you kayak fish, you should know when you get a bite, you almost feel it through your boat. And I got the bite, and I look up at my rod, and it was sitting like this, and I see it just fly into the water and then like torpedo in, and it just looked like it was gone. Like it continued to go. And I obviously took my anchor up really quick, tried to chase it, and Josh is like, what's going on? What's going on? And I'm like, my rod just flew into the water. They don't even make this rod anymore. This is a Legend Salt by St. Croix. I think at the time it retailed for like $600. Lifetime warranty.
Just shake your head, guys, with me. Let's just all shake our heads. Like, I don't even know about this guy anymore.
Hey, one thing I do know is this spin fisher will last up to 7 hours in the salt water and still perform, so we should be good.
You're gonna have to clean that, baby. Woof!
Oh, and I freaking dropped. Oh, and I almost lost my other rod today. I was casting, and then when I casted one time, I grabbed this rod and threw it into the water.
Yeah.
I can't go fishing anymore. I'm gonna lose everything.
Chris should pick up some golf or something.
Literally gonna lose everything. My whole living out here. Go away.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Full of excitement, full of drama, as you can see. Now Chris is trying to hook me with his artificial lure.
TV show
Guys, you don't want to miss an episode. Who knows? Look, he really is trying to hook me. You never know what's going to happen here. If you like this video, guys, please give a thumbs up, comment below. Hey, and subscribe if you haven't already. Do you want to see more content like this? If you do, let me know. Hey, until next time, we'll see you.